Hello, I am Rishika Ramrakhyani of BCA second year, student of Star Infotech College, and today I am here to present my Java project that is on Educational Kit Store Management System. My project title is Bright Minds. Bright Minds is an educational kit store catering to the needs of 3 to 14 years of students managing their educational kits. My educational kit store caters to the need of the kids of 3 to 12 years of age, and I will be providing various educational kits catering to the current demand of the students for their interactive and fun growth with their mates to enhance their learning experience. Now I will be starting with my Java project demo. So beginning with the demo of my Bright Minds project, we will be discovering the admin panel first. So first we will log into the admin panel. Now, this is the home screen of my admin panel. Admin will be managing the inventory, the orders from the suppliers and bill details. So moving on to the tabs, first we will look after the inventory of my project. The inventory would be managed in the products tab. Here I would be having all the products with their description and the price, with the age groups and the categories supplied by a particular supplier to manage my inventory and to have a look over the inventory. The admin can manage the inventory by adding to it and by deleting and editing the products. So if we want to add a product, we can add a product. First we will add the name and then the description, and then we will choose a particular category of a product. Then we have to add a age group, a unit price of my product, the inventory I am having for my product, and the supplier name. My product would be added to my inventory, and now we can also edit the details of a product once added. My product would be updated successfully. Moving on to the suppliers, my store would be catering to different suppliers. So here I would be having the data of my suppliers. I can add new suppliers, and while the time I can also edit the previous suppliers. Adding new supplier would be very easy. Make sure the data entered is to be validated. Now my supplier would be added successfully. We can deal with the supplier further on to manage my inventory and to manage my products. So to manage the inventory from the particular supplier, we need to move on to the orders tab, where I can place different orders to my supplier, and while I can also look on to the previous supplier orders with their items in a particular order, ordered on a particular date from a particular supplier. Now, for example, this would show my earlier order with the particular order detail and the order items that I already added to my order. We can check on to any order and track the orders from the supplier with the particular items and particular order details. We can also add a new order to the supplier. To add, we can have the screen and choose a supplier first. After choosing my supplier, After choosing my supplier, I would be having all the product details. Now I will choose a particular product from my supplier. Suppose I will be choosing Brain Boosters kit for my students, and I have to enter the quantity and the item would be added. I can add multiple items to my order. the items are ready for my order, I can place this order by changing the status, and then I can add this particular order. The order would be shown to my orders list, and this is my current order having a particular order number to identify this order supplied by AB suppliers, and the total amount is 3,400 rupees. To track more details of this order, I would be having this page, and this page shows the product and the quantity added in my orders list. Now moving on to bill section. Bill is a major section that will be managed by admin. Under bill section, admin can look over to all the bills that are catered by my store to the customers, and for a particular bill, admin cannot only look for the details but also can go over a particular bill and identify the products in it. Now we can move on to the cashier panel. To log in with the cashier, we have to provide its ID and password. Then we can log in with the cashier panel. Here my cashier does particularly two things. First is to place the order with the customer and to perform sales operation of my store, and also to track the bills of my consumer. So to place the order, first we have to identify the category. My store supplies three major categories. So the three major categories are activity bag, puzzles and science. I will choose a particular category. Suppose we choose puzzles. All the products of the puzzle category would be coming over here. I can choose any of the category and the product is chosen now. I have to add the quantity as per my stock. It cannot be more than that. So let's say we can have a particular quantity, and then we can add this item to our bill. We can choose another category to have more products in our bill. Yeah, so for now we are adding two items in our bill. Now we have to provide the customer details to my bill. We will add the phone number of my customer. Now to place this bill. My bill is placed successfully and a bill window is shown. This bill window will be stored for the cashier to access later on. And here is my bill section storing all the bills, and current bill is also added to my cashier panel. So the cashier can manage the day-to-day bills and can track the customers' orders, and here is the bill. Thank you so much. This is my small Java project on educational kids store. Here I am managing all the operations with the sales and purchase of a store, and this is my Java project. Thank you so much.